and Chapter 5, Lesson 4, Part 3, over how to apply a gradient swatch and to use the gradient swatches panel. First, we want to click the black selection tool. We want to make sure that the show gradient swatches button is active in the swatches panel. Click the black selection tool, then click the border of the top rectangle frame and verify that fill button is active on the tool panel in the swatches panel. Then select the blue, gold, red linear swatches. Make sure that you're in normal view. Go to view, screen mode, and normal. Then click the gradient swatch tool on the tools panel. Then, using figure 54 as a guide, place the mouse pointer anywhere at the top edge, and I'd say it's about right here, top edge of the rectangle frame. Hold your shift key and click and drag downward. Releasing the mouse button at the bottom edge of the frame. Your frame should resemble 55 on page 535. Pressing and holding the shift while dragging the gradient swatch tool constrains the movement on a horizontal or vertical axis. Drag the gradient swatch tool from the bottom middle handle of the frame to the top right handle, also holding your shift key down. Now drag the gradient tool from the left edge of the document, holding the shift key down, to the right edge of the document window. Drag the gradient swatch tool a short distance from left to right in the very center of the frame, as shown in figure 56 on page 535. In the very center. Click the black selection tool. Click the edge of the circular frame to select it. Then click the cyan radial in the swatches panel. Click the gradient swatch tool and press down and hold the shift and drag the gradient. Start at the center point of the circle and hold your shift key down and drag it to the center point, the center of the rectangle frame, the bottom edge of the center of the rectangle frame, right above it, so that your circle should resemble figure 57 on page 536. This concludes Chapter 5, Lesson 4, Part 3.